G'day YouTube, it's Turbo Tristan here, and in today's video we're going to go and we're going to answer the age-old question, what's better, D16 Turbo or B16 Atmo? And to do that, we're going to give ourselves a little race. We also have a very nice R32, probably a GTS 4 by the look of that body kit. Just back in traffic a couple of cars, so keep an eye out for that in just a second. GTS-T, very nice one, but still a GTS-T. So do you want to just like get in second gear side by side and then just, I don't know if you want to beep or something.
What do you want to go? 40, 50, 60? Probably
40 second gear, and I'll beep it 3 times. There was a second where I thought, and then it just hit boost and went. Do you want to do it? Do you want to do a different roll or anything?
Take off?
All right, I'll bet you I'll stall it. So we'll just go at the lights. All right. Pressure's on now, everyone. This clutch is a bitch, and yeah, haven't done any drag racing for a while, but we'll see. Turbo wins every time. Happy with that. I honestly thought I was going to lose. Honestly thought I was going to lose. Not bad. Yeah. Not even tuned. Not even tuned properly. Yeah. Alright, so that's 2 to the D series with the turbo, 14 psi. To be fair, his car is 100% stock, so you know, let's not celebrate too much, but definitely a win to the D series. Little bit of money, little bit of a mess around with a single cam, and yeah, it can be pretty fun. And we kind of missed a light there. That was more my fault, I wasn't watching. But yeah, he smoked me off the mark. I don't know if that has an LSD in it or not, but chopped me. What do you want to do? Alright, second? Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Boost! Same exact result. Yeah. time. That was even better. Hey? Yeah, it's not bad. I'm impressed. I thought you would win, honestly. Turbo all day long. Need it. So there we go. In today's episode, we've answered the question: Turbo D or B series or B swap. Definitely a turbo single cam 1.6. Surprisingly, beat a twin cam 1.6. But I guess that's why we bring the boost every day. Don't forget, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you spool up and bring the boost every single day, and we'll see ya in the next video.